Hi little learners. Today we are going to learn shapes. Do you know what are the shapes? Shapes are all around us. They're like the building blocks of everything we see and touch. Let's explore what shapes are. Are you excited? So, let's get started. Look at this. Our first shape is a circle. Can you say circle? Great job! A circle is round and smooth, like a ball. It doesn't have any corners. Can you try drawing a circle? Try moving your hand in a round direction and there becomes a circle. Can you try one more time? Now, let's think. What things around us are shaped like a circle? Kids, I found it. The sun. Sun is circle-shaped. Sun gives us bright light. Can you tell me some more circle-shaped things? Here are some more examples that are around us every day. A clock, donut and wheels on the cycle are all circle-shaped. You can also keep watching and find more circle-shaped things around you. Wonderful! We learned the circle. Next, we have a triangle. Kids, can you say triangle? Perfect! A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's count the sides together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, let's count the corners. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kiddos, pause and take your time to observe and count the sides and corners. Now, let's draw a triangle. First, draw a slanting line going down, like this. Then second slanting line starting from same top point. And going down just like a letter A. And last, join the 2 bottom points of slanting lines by a sleeping line. And here is our triangle. Can you try drawing now? Wonderful! Now, can you think of something shaped like a triangle? How about a hanger? We use hangers to organize clothes in the closet. Can you think of more triangle-shaped things? Great thinking! A slice of pizza, samosa, ice cream cone, and even a tent are all triangle-shaped. Look at this. Our next shape is a square. Can you say square? A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And do you know the interesting fact? All the sides of square are of same length. Let's count the sides together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's count the corners. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kiddos, pause and take your time to observe and count the sides and corners. Now, let's learn to draw the square. First, draw the standing line starting from up to down. Then from same bottom point, draw the sleeping line starting from left to right and of same length of standing line. Next, from the end point of sleeping line, draw a standing line in upward direction. Last, join the top points of standing lines by sleeping line and our square is ready. Can you draw now? Excellent, kiddos! Can you think of something shaped like a square? How about a window? Windows are square-shaped. What else is square-shaped? Can you find? A puzzle board. biscuits and Ludo board are all squares. You're doing great learning. And now we have the rectangle. Can you say rectangle? A rectangle has 4 sides, just like a square, but 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Let's count the sides together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's count the corners. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kiddos, pause and take your time to observe and count the sides and corners. Now, let's draw the rectangle. First, draw the standing line starting from up to down. Then from same point draw the sleeping line from left to right and longer than the standing line. Next, from the end point of sleeping line draw a standing line in upward direction and then join the top points of standing lines by sleeping line. Our rectangle is ready. Here is the other way of rectangle where standing lines are longer than sleeping line. Can you try drawing now? Let's see, what could be shaped like a rectangle? Oh, how about a door? Can you find a door around you? A door, a book, mobile and even a TV screen are rectangles. Fantastic! Let's draw the shapes we learned and color it. First, draw a big circle. Next, draw a triangle. I am drawing at top left of circle. You can draw as you like at any position. Then draw a square. Last, draw a rectangle. Let's color it now. Starting with maroon color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Last is green color. You can draw shapes and color as you like. Our drawing is ready. Isn't it wonderful? Wow! You did an amazing job today. Now you know shapes, a circle, a triangle, a square, and a rectangle. Can you spot these shapes around you? Look around and see how many you can find. Do you want to learn more fun things? Make sure to visit our channel. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more fun learning videos. Keep practicing. You're already a shape expert. See you again in next fun learning lesson.